Welcome to the Janome Creative Studio. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable gobble gobble handprint turkey apron just in time for Thanksgiving. Now I've got a very special guest in the studio today, and we're going to be doing some fun things to show you how easy this is to do, and it's super kid friendly. This fun project is a particular favorite of mine, and I can't wait to show you how fun and easy it is for you to do at home. So we've already gone and created this particular embroidery file, and it's available for free. Just click on the link in the description below. But I want to show you how easy it is to use AcuSketch, which is a free app available in the Apple Store for you to download. Then you can personalize it and customize it, especially if you want to get the youngsters involved. Now you're going to need 2 colors of thread and a blank apron. Let's jump in and get started. I have a very special guest in the studio today. You want to come on over, KK? Let's come over and meet everybody. Come right up here. This is KK. Isn't she cute as a button? I'm so excited because show everyone the artwork that you did. Isn't it darling? You're quite the artist, you know that? All right, so let's show them how easy it is to scan this picture into our AcuSketch app, okay? You just stay right there. I'm gonna work right around you. We're gonna open our AcuSketch app, and we're gonna push the picture button, and we're gonna hold it over the picture itself. And now, can you reach up there and push that button? Good job, well done. Now we have the picture scanned into the app, and the only thing we have to do is trace the image and turn it into a quick and easy embroidery that you can stitch out on any Janome embroidery machine. Once you've traced the design, it's really simple. All you do is touch the stitch button. Awesome, good job. And then you'll be able to send it to yourself through email or messaging, where you'll take that design, put it on a thumb drive, and take it to your embroidery machine. Now, if your machine has Wi-Fi capabilities, it's even faster. But I'm going to take that thumb drive and we're going to put it right into our 550E, and we're going to go stitch this out. So we've brought the design over to the machine through a USB stick, and now we're going to go find that design and open it. I'm using the MemoryCraft 550E, but of course this design, and remember, you can find it in the link in the description below. This design works on all Janome embroidery machines. So we're going to go here where the machine is, and I'm going to click this, and there's the design. I'm using the one that we've already created with the words gobble gobble, but of course you could do any kind of customizing that you want. And now I think we're ready to stitch. You ready to push the button? All right, you push that start button. About halfway through the design, it'll stop, and that's when you need to change from your blue tip needle, which was for the heavier weight thread that we used to stitch out the turkey, to a more sheen or lighter thread for the words gobble gobble. I'm using a red tip needle for that, and this is when you would do it. Once you've got that needle changed and your thread changed, we'll press the start button again and we'll stitch the rest of the design. That's all there is to it. So now the embroidery is all done. There's just a few fun steps left to do. You ready to help me with the next one? All right, we're gonna take this out of the hoop, and now we have to remove the stabilizer from the back of our embroidery. Here we go. You ready to help me tear this? This is actually kind of fun. You just reach in there and start ripping it out. Just get it started like that. Keep pulling. There you go. Awesome! Oh, that's the way to do it. There you go. Just remove all of the stabilizer from behind the embroidery, and then we'll meet back here for some coloring. So now you can see just how kid-friendly and fun this project is. It's a great way to use AcuSketch and get your embroidery machine going and get your kids involved. What'd you think? Was this some fun?
Yeah.
All right. How much fun?
Really fun.
You're just the best. All right. We're going to do this again sometime. But in the meantime, we're going to finish up our turkey. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye.